Hey, Anthony Bellet on again. Didn't feel like it gave you enough of the sound for the guitar, my review. So, I'm mainly just going to be playing, same setup, classic overdrive, or classic wall pedal, Zakk Wylde Overdrive, my amp, and the pedal effects board for the amp, which there's nothing really except for chorus going on there. And here we go. I'm going to just do all playing this time. There we go. I know a lot of it was all distortion and everything and gain, but that's me at my best when I can. I know some clean, but I think in this river, proper for in this river chords really wasn't the beat. Little something Zakk would do for Dimebag Darrell, obviously in his respect. That's why I would do it. But I'm just trying to show you for this guitar all its sound qualities. If I missed any, leave comments, tell me what I missed, and I'll do a video doing that sound quality. And if you think I missed anything, just leave a comment and just tell me what I missed or something, and I'll try to fix it, and I'll put it up here for you. And other than that, have a good day, and I'm out.